What's good, people? Welcome. Side मा मात्र RGB छ. यो चाहिँ like एउटा white key light छ यसको. So for plugging in, I connected another end of. So the manual says it got 22 different spectrum mode, which is red switch. My setup looks like this to this. What's good, people? Welcome back to our channel. Ani पछि we are about to unbox a new keyboard. I got a new keyboard for my setup. Ani let's check which one is it. So I've got this keyboard, as you guys might know. Hi. So as you guys might know, this is my new keyboard. Let's unbox. So मेरो old keyboard चाहिँ यो थियो. यो नि Fantech के थियो, तर अहिले like it's been like कति धेरै भइसक्यो, 2-3 years भइसक्यो हैन. अनि अहिले यसो सोच्दा चाहिँ like यो part is अलि धेरै नै bulky, plus यसको कीहरु चाहिँ राम्रो चल्दैन के. Like W एक्चुअली मैले प्रेस गर्दाखेरि multiple times press हुन्छ, अनि पछि so I had to change it. अनि पछि यसको एउटा RGB and कि कुनमा पनि लाइट बल्दैन. And just like it was time for an upgrade, so I've chose this one. You see like RGB भन्नु पनि it's not fully RGB. यसको side मा मात्र RGB छ. यो चाहिँ like एउटा white key light छ यसको. अनि पछि like RGB नै छैन यो completely. यसको keysहरु चाहिँ RGB छ, यसको board चाहिँ हल्का RGB छ, नत्र भए चाहिँ यसको like it's not fully RGB. That's gonna be it. It's not fully RGB. It got white light for the keys, but the keyboard itself, the side of the keyboard has RGB light. So yes, it's a great keyboard. Let me show you guys. So let's unbox it. The first one, let's get this out. It's not fully RGB, as I said earlier. Oh shit. Here, like I got the manual, which no one reads, to be honest. And here is the beauty, eh? Like I don't know the exact color, like that color. I don't see the type of color it says. It's like greenish. Yep, it's a type of green, like matcha green. No, it's like even lighter than matcha green. And here you go. This is the keyboard we've got. It looks so damn pretty. Like look at the keys, and it's a red switch. Now the previous keyboard I had was blue switch. It was loud, but this is red switch. Like I'm gonna give you ASMR in a bit. So it's got a USB-C port for its keyboard, and this goes to the laptop. And this keyboard, like I love the size of this keyboard. It got the home and page up, page down button as well, but it's kind of portable, and it got 2 height adjustments, which is pretty cool. I love the color. In the box we get spare like Fantech logo or sticker and a keycap remover, so this is gonna be handy. I'm gonna keep that aside for a bit. So the full name of the keyboard is Mechanical Keyboard of Fantech. That's called Maxfit 87, and it's in red switch. It got a soft switch. It's got pretty quiet click, to be honest, and I love it, to be honest. Here's my mouse, and it looks like this. This is the first time I've not bought a black keyboard, so that's going to be a new thing for me. And let's plug it. Let's try to plug it. So for plugging in, I connected another end of the cable to the laptop, and this cable goes right here. I hope I don't. And it's connected. As I said earlier, it's got an RGB right there at the sides, but I think the keys are only white colored. Well, let me get the room darker so you guys can see it much clearer. Wait, let me lower the brightness of the video and you can see it more clearly. So the manual says it got 22 different spectrum mode, which looks beautiful. And as I said earlier, the RGB are right there and right there. Not much RGB in this keyboard, but it looks pretty beautiful. And there are 22 different modes. Like let me show you guys. If I press function key and print, there's 1, 2, and there you go. There were different modes, spectrum modes of this keyboard. As a whole, this is the first time like I bought a non-black keyboard, so I quite like it, and I love the lights. Let me let you guys like hear the sound of this keyboard, or the keyboard sound, or the sound this keyboard makes, like from close up. So here you go. Here's my mic. In this side-by-side comparison, like let's see the difference. This is a blue switch. It got a blue switch, and this got a red switch. So at first, let's try the blue switch. Obviously, recording, it was too freaking loud. So let me place my mic a bit further, like right here, and let you guys decide. So this is blue switch, obviously, and this is red switch. I've got to fix my cables and all, but my setup looks like this to this, and yep, I quite like the color. It's a new color for me. There you go, you can see the RGB if needed, but I like the color of it. The keycaps are only a single colored light, but it looks pretty well, and I love the feel of it. Plus it's like way smaller, and it saves much more space in the mouse pad if I need it, or in the table. Like whenever I try to use the old keyboard, I just can't, like it takes too much extra space and it's not worth it. So that was my move, changing the keyboard, as I had to change it. So let me know guys what you think about it in the comment section. And yes, that's gonna be it for today's video, so see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys are doing good, and bye bye.
Rotating.